Hi everybody, I'm Todd Golden with Cross Country Mortgage.
And I'm Yulia, a Realtor with Keller Realty.
Right on. We have some exciting news to share with you. We are going to be presenting a home buying workshop here in Danville that's going to be comprised of everything you ever need to know about buying a home, the A to Z, if you will. From first-time home buyers to seasoned home buyers. We're going to talk about down payment. We're going to talk about monthly payment, income, usable income, what's not usable, credit scores, how to improve your credit scores, how to buy your next house before you sell your current home. So we're going to cover all of those bases. Can't wait to see you. Be sure to share, right?
Yes,
okay.
Just make sure you share with everyone you know that might benefit from that. And if for some reason you're unable to attend in person, we're going to provide you a link for Zoom where you can join us online.
Exactly. And there's going to be prizes, so you don't want to miss it.
Yes. Raffle, food, drinks is going to be so much fun, so please make sure you don't miss on that. Just save the date, September the 9th from 5:30 until 8 p.m.
Awesome. See you then.
See you then. Bye.
Bye.